Plants, like all living organisms, require a variety of nutrients to grow, thrive, and defend themselves against diseases. Among these nutrients, mineral ions play a crucial role. These ions, absorbed from the soil through the plant's roots, are essential for various physiological processes. For instance, nitrate ions are vital for the synthesis of proteins, which are necessary for cell growth and development. Magnesium ions are needed to produce chlorophyll, the pigment that plants use to capture light energy during photosynthesis. Without an adequate supply of these and other essential minerals, plants can become stunted, show signs of deficiency, such as yellowing leaves, and become more susceptible to diseases and environmental stresses. Plants are not immune to diseases, which can be caused by various pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protists. These pathogens can invade a plant through wounds, natural openings like stomata, or directly through the plant's tissues. Once inside, they can disrupt normal cellular functions, leading to symptoms such as wilting, spots, blights, and abnormal growths. Environmental factors, such as poor soil conditions, lack of nutrients, and extreme weather, can also weaken plants, making them more vulnerable to infections. The spread of plant diseases can have devastating effects on agriculture, reducing crop yields and leading to significant economic losses. To protect themselves, plants have evolved a range of defenses that can be categorized into physical, chemical, and mechanical strategies. Physical defenses include the development of tough cell walls, which act as barriers to prevent pathogens from entering. The cuticle, a waxy layer that covers the surface of leaves and stems, further inhibits pathogen invasion by creating a waterproof barrier that limits the entry of waterborne pathogens and reduces water loss, making it harder for diseases to take hold. Chemical defenses involve the production of compounds that can deter or kill pathogens. Plants can synthesize a variety of antimicrobial chemicals, such as phytoalexins, which are toxic to bacteria and fungi. Some plants also produce enzymes that break down the cell walls of invading organisms, effectively neutralizing the threat before it can cause significant damage. Additionally, plants may release volatile organic compounds that signal other parts of the plant or neighboring plants to activate their defenses, creating a broader protective response. Mechanical defenses are another layer of protection. These include structures like thorns, spines, and trichomes, hair-like structures, that deter herbivores and limit physical damage, which could otherwise serve as entry points for pathogens. Some plants also exhibit movement as a defense mechanism, such as the closing of leaves in the sensitive plant Mimosa pudica when touched, which can deter herbivores and limit the spread of pathogens. The combination of these defenses enables plants to survive and adapt in environments where they are constantly exposed to potential threats. However, despite these defenses, plants can still succumb to diseases, especially when their immune systems are compromised or when pathogens evolve new ways to overcome plant defenses. Understanding plant diseases and defenses is critical for developing strategies to protect crops and ensure food security. Agricultural practices, such as crop rotation, breeding for disease-resistant varieties, and the use of natural and synthetic pesticides, are all informed by this knowledge, helping to mitigate the impact of plant diseases on global food supplies.